going on, guys? It's your boy Evan, and you know I'm always up to no good. So today we're actually going to be changing out the old fog lights off the Jeep SRT8. As you can tell, they're already cracked, and they're kind of like fading. So the plastic is fading. So we're gonna go ahead and change them out. We're gonna put in some smoked fog lights. So I went ahead and removed one of them already. As you can tell, it's missing from the bottom part of the bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the smoked fog lights, and it's gonna look a lot better. So let's go ahead and let's put them in. Alright guys, so there's 15 T15 screw in the back that you got to take out. It's kind of hard to get a camera in here, but there's a screw behind the fog light that holds it to the bumper. So you got a T15, you got to take it out. It's a little rusted, but I'm gonna use different screws because these are rusted and I have a feeling these are gonna get stuck. So I use different set of hardware or screws or bolts, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm gonna remove the other bolt. It should come out. We'll clean the inside as I did on the other side. Put the new light in and it should be nice and bright, nice and clear lenses. Okay. Oh. So as you can tell, see how dirty they are. The plastic is fading yellow, and they need replacing. So I'm gonna put the other clear smoked fly. My mistake. Smoked fog headlight in, and it's gonna look nice. Alright guys, so we're outside right now. Just finished putting in the smoked fog lights, and they look absolutely amazing. Now my hands are the old ones that I took out. They obviously cracked, faded, and they just look like absolute garbage. They look like crap. So I got the new ones in on that side and the other one on that side. So turn the lights on, they look absolutely amazing. They're nice and bright. You can see the bulb, you can see how clear the lenses are. So I'm absolutely happy with how it went. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw these suckers out. And with that being said, guys, I'll definitely be catching you guys in the next video.